welcome to Super Sony Vision. So today is going to be a pretty simple video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a good strawberry banana smoothie. So, you're going to need strawberries, bananas, and milk of your choice. I'm using almond milk, but you can use regular milk if you want. Okay, so this is for the regular big size blenders, not the mini ones. So if you have them, the mini ones, you can sort of simplify the recipe if you want. Don't have the exact proportions, but I can show you the blender to show you how much I'm using. Today I'm going to make 2 portions for me and my sister. So I'm going to double the recipe, but yeah, let's get started. So I have my big blender here, and pour some strawberries in. So this is about how much 1 portion would be of strawberries, I think. But I'm going to make double that, so I'm going to add some more strawberries in. I think I'm going to use all the strawberries, but I don't know what double is. I'm not good with this. Looks sort of double. I'm going to add a little bit more in. This is about double, maybe. Maybe it's a little bit less, but it's a good thing. Now, you can always add more strawberry, more banana if it doesn't taste to your appeal, if you want. But we have 2 halves. 1 would be for 1 portion and 2 for another portion if you want. So we're gonna put that in. And then I forgot the milk, so we're gonna be right back. Okay, we're back. We have some almond milk, and we have the bananas, and we're basically gonna fill it in maybe a little bit more than that. That's good, about. And then once you've had all of that stuff in, you can put it on a blender, and if you have the button ice crush, do that for a little bit until it seems pretty much mixed. And if you don't have the ice crush, I don't know what else. Basically, just do whatever blend you usually do, and just wait until it's crushed up. So yeah, I'm gonna come right back once this is blended. We're back. We got a large portion of strawberry banana. I did add an 1/8 of a banana or something more because it was a little too strawberry for me. And this is a very large portion. You may not need all of this, so you may want to simplify it. But yeah, that's basically how you make it if you ever wanted to. It's pretty simple if you just have a blender, some strawberries, bananas, and any type of milk. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked me teaching you how to make a simple smoothie. But yeah, if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you like smoothies. And subscribe if you want to see some more cooking videos like this. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Bye.